In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete version history in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by multiple saved versions of a document, or you just want to clear out old revisions, this tutorial is here to help. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how to do just that. First things first, open the Google Sheet that you want to clean up. You can easily do this by navigating to Google Sheets in your web browser and selecting the document from your drive. Once your sheet is open and loaded, click on any cell to select it. This action ensures that the document is active and makes the subsequent steps easier to follow. Next, you're going to need to access the menu options at the top of your screen. Click on File, which is in the top left corner of the Google Sheets interface. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to navigate your cursor down to Version History. This option will have a little right-pointing arrow next to it indicating that it's a submenu. Once in this submenu, click on See Version History. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen showing a chronological list of all the changes and saved versions that have been recorded for this document. You may want to glance through to see which versions you have and make a mental note of anything specific you want to keep. After reviewing the version history, close out this panel by clicking anywhere outside of it or selecting the X in the corner. You should now be back in your main worksheet. To remove version history, it's best to create a fresh copy of the document without any past edits. So once again, click on File in the menu bar and select Make a Copy. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to name your new document and choose the location in your drive where it should be saved. Feel free to rename it to something recognizable and place it in a location that's convenient for you. When you click OK, Google Sheets will create a new, separate document that is an exact copy, but without the version history. Now that you have your clean copy, go back to this new version. Click on File once more and head over to Version History. Choose See Version History just to double-check that you now have a document with 0 past revisions. And there you have it. You've successfully created a version history-free copy of your Google Sheet. This process is a handy tool to better manage and organize your documents, keeping only what you need in pristine condition. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, keep experimenting to make the most out of your Google Workspace tools.